Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie and I'm blind. Here, let me show you something that I use on a daily basis. So this is my white cane. It's red on the bottom and white on top with a rubber handle and a string. Not everyone's cane looks like that, and that's okay. And no, I don't have a guide dog. I do, however, have a pet named Willow. And this is Willow. Good afternoon, everyone. I have a cold paper towel over my eye because in the middle of the night, someone who purrs that has 4 paws and a tail, aka Rio, decided he was gonna pounce on my face because he wanted to play, and he got his claw stuck in my eyelid. So I have a cold paper towel over my eye because I couldn't find a cold rag. I mean, you know, a rag to put cold water on. And him and Daisy, who is currently in here, that's Lacey's dog for those of you who don't know, are sort of friends. They were laying on the bed together, not like side by side or anywhere near each other, but they were kind of together, you know, laying on the same bed. I figured it would be better to get him used to Daisy and then work on Willow some more. Because Daisy is smaller, and I feel like because he's smaller, I feel like he would not be so scared of her. So that's what we're doing. We're working on getting him used to Daisy. Larry keeps calling Rio a her, and now he's got me started calling him a her. I'm gonna try again to take his water dish out of the holder and replace the water. Every time I try to do that, though, he winds up here. Like right now, he winds up here. But he was just up here, so he shouldn't need to be up here. Oh no, I'm holding the camera wrong. Anyway, this is my carrot cabinet. This is where I have all his food and everything. Right. Got the water bowl filled up, knocked something off the nightstand. Have no idea where it went, but I'll find it eventually. Or, not the nightstand. This is a carrot cabinet. This right here is a carrot cabinet, not a nightstand. And Rio's very confused because every time I come over here, it's to put him up here. And so he's confused that I'm sitting in this chair. What, buddy? Hi. What are you doing? You're so confused. Yeah, he's okay. I'm confused too. I just wanted to sit over here because this is my chair. It is, it's my chair. Are you gonna sit on my lap? Nope. He's like, not gonna do it. Just trying to figure out why you're sitting in the chair. Willow has decided that she should come in. So there's Willow on the side because she forced her way in, being the bulldozer she is. And then on this side we have Rio. Yeah. He's not Willow's best friend yet, but he's not hissing at her either. Hi, babies. What you want? Are you playing it up for the camera? Are you playing it up for the camera? He's just the cutest little guy I've ever seen in my life. Want to sit on my lap? Here you go. There's Willow. Oh, Rio fell. Rio's like, I'm not doing this. Here's Willow. I found her lemon the other day, but now I don't know where it is. She's just laying here all nice and calm. I need to clean up this litter. There's like litter all over the floor because Rio was like, I'm throwing litter everywhere. Oh, I gotta go put Rio up on that thing because he still can't get up there yet. Okay. I will let you out, Wills. Do you want to go out? I am trying to cut Willow down. Willow? No, rephrase that. I am trying to cut Rio down to 3 times a day on feeding him because I was feeding him way too much and he got really sick yesterday. Pretty sure that's what the problem was. So, he gets like a few spoonfuls every feeding and then he doesn't eat it all at once, and so he's eating right now. You can probably hear his little smacks in the background. And I'm gonna play on my phone until he decides that he wants to play, because I played with him a little earlier. I'm trying to establish a routine where we play and then he eats, but that's really hard because a lot of times he'll want to eat and then play, or he'll just want to play and then not eat. So we're working on it. He's a kitty cat. He's a kitty cat. He's purring. I have a runny nose. My eye hurts less, which is amazing. I'm so glad my eye doesn't hurt like it did. Listen to that purr. You're so cute. You can play with the phone? Oh. Aww. Why are you giving me kisses? Oh, that's a sweet good boy. Yeah, that's a sweet good boy. You got up here just to give me a kiss. Bye. You gonna lay on your blanket? Yeah. No, you're not gonna lay on your blanket. You're coming back. He's coming back. He's coming back. He's a coming back boy. Yo. You're so cute. Yeah, you're so cute. I'm so lucky I have you. I am so glad I have this cat. I hope that he stays like this because he's so calm compared to the last inside cat that I actually co-owned with Lacey. It's ridiculous. Like, he's the reason why I like cats. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I'm gonna go play with Rio, and I will tell you all good night. Right, Rio? Oh, are you gonna sit on my lap? Excuse me. You can play with the sheet? Is it playtime? Do you think that it's playtime? Oh boy. It's cuddle time, huh? Is it cuddle time? You're so sweet. You're such a cutie. How did you become so cute? So for anyone who doesn't know, I was told that he is half bobtail, which is why he has such a little tail, and half Siamese. He doesn't look like a Siamese at all, but he's supposed to be half Siamese. So far from what I observed, he seems to have the personality of a bobtail, and that's based on my research with Google, or through Google. So that could change when he's older. The Siamese could come out more, but for right now, he wants me to shut up. But for right now, he acts more like a bobtail than anything. Anyway. This is the end of the video. I hope that you like this video enough to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're brand new. Ring that notification bell. Make sure it's set to all notifications. Leave a comment if you have something to say. Follow me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Odyssey, follow me on TikTok. You can find all those links on my YouTube page below the About section. My email address is in the About section of my YouTube page, and everything I just mentioned, the email address and the links, can be found down in the description below. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.